Finding the perfect eyebrow shape can be tricky, and sometimes, it feels like you need a professional to help. That's where eyebrow stencil kits come in. Whether you're looking for natural arches or bold brows, these kits offer a quick and easy way to shape your brows with precision. Today, we'll review the 5 best eyebrow stencil kits to help you choose the right one for your needs. Let's dive into our first pick. Kicking off our list at number 1, NYX. The NYX Professional Makeup Eyebrow Stencil Kit is a favorite for many, offering a variety of stencils designed to suit different brow shapes. With NYX's reputation for high-quality yet affordable products, this kit allows you to create perfectly shaped brows without the hassle of freehand drawing. The kit is especially ideal for those who are just starting to experiment with shaping their brows. Key features: the NYX Stencil Kit comes with 4 unique stencil shapes, giving you the flexibility to choose the best one based on your face shape and personal preferences. The stencils are made of durable, flexible plastic, and can be reused multiple times. The set also includes an applicator brush and a mini pomade for filling in brows, ensuring you get a complete look in one kit. Benefits and usage: this stencil kit simplifies the process of shaping your brows, making it easier for beginners to get a consistent result. The reusable stencils are practical and come with a pomade that helps you fill in gaps for fuller brows. You'll appreciate the easy-to-follow instructions and the clear, defined results that this kit provides. It works well for both everyday looks and more defined, bold brows for a night out. Usability: the NYX Stencil Kit is straightforward to use, even for first-time users. Simply choose the stencil shape that suits your face and hold it in place while you apply the pomade using the included brush. The flexible stencils adapt well to different brow sizes and shapes, making them a versatile option for a variety of users. Durability: NYX stencils are made from a flexible material that is durable and can be cleaned after each use. The pomade included in the kit has a long-lasting formula, ensuring your brows stay intact all day long. The stencils themselves are sturdy enough to withstand repeated use, but it's recommended to clean them thoroughly after each session to maintain their longevity. In the second spot, we have Revlon. The Revlon Brow Stencil Kit is an all-in-one solution for those who want precision and ease when shaping their eyebrows. Known for delivering reliable and accessible beauty products, Revlon's Brow Stencil Kit is great for anyone looking to achieve well-groomed brows at home. This kit is designed to provide a natural-looking finish, making it a go-to option for everyday use. Key features: the Revlon Brow Stencil Kit includes 5 different stencils to suit various brow shapes, ranging from soft arches to more angular designs. The stencils are made from durable, flexible material, allowing them to comfortably fit most face shapes. The kit also comes with a dual-ended applicator pencil that helps define and fill in your brows. A small guide is included to help you navigate stencil placement. Benefits and usage: this kit is perfect for those who want to achieve consistent, symmetrical brows without spending too much time on them. The variety of stencil shapes ensures that you can find one that works best for your natural brow shape. The included pencil is easy to apply, making the process quick and hassle-free. Whether you're aiming for a natural daytime look or something more defined, the Revlon kit has you covered. Usability: the Revlon Brow Stencil Kit is user-friendly, even for beginners. It includes clear instructions on how to place the stencils and how to use the included pencil. The stencils are lightweight and flexible, making them easy to adjust and hold in place as you apply the pencil. The dual-ended pencil also makes it convenient for you to fill in brows with precision. Durability: the stencils are made from a flexible, durable plastic material that can last through multiple uses. The pencil itself has a long-lasting formula, ensuring your brows stay in place throughout the day. The overall design of the kit is built for durability, with sturdy materials that hold up to repeated applications. Coming in at number 3 is the Brow Code. The Brow Code Eyebrow Stencil Kit is a premium option for those who want a higher-end, professional-level result. Known for its precision and quality, Brow Code Stencil Kit is designed to help you achieve perfect brows with minimal effort. If you want to make sure your brows are on point every time, this kit is worth considering. Key features: this kit features 6 different stencil designs that range from soft to bold, allowing for maximum customization. The stencils are made from high-quality material that's gentle on the skin, ensuring comfort while you shape your brows. Additionally, Brow Code provides an easy-to-use applicator brush for applying the included brow powder, which helps fill in the brows seamlessly. Benefits and usage: Brow Code's kit is perfect for users who want a more professional finish without going to a salon. The range of stencils ensures you can create the perfect shape for your face, while the brow powder offers a natural, long-lasting finish. The stencils are easy to use, and the brush included ensures that you can achieve a clean, precise look. This kit is also ideal for anyone with sensitive skin, thanks to its high-quality materials. Usability: the Brow Code Eyebrow Stencil Kit is incredibly user-friendly. The stencils are easy to position on your face, and the brush allows you to fill in your brows with control. The soft brow powder provides a natural finish, and the easy-to-follow instructions ensure that you can get the perfect shape every time. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this kit delivers professional results. Durability: Brow Code stencils are made from durable, flexible material that can withstand multiple uses without losing their shape. The brow powder has excellent staying power, ensuring your brows remain intact all day long. The applicator brush is built to last, maintaining its shape and softness after repeated uses. Taking our 4th spot is Sigma Beauty is known for its high-performance makeup tools, and the Sigma Beauty Brow Stencil Kit is no exception. This kit is designed to give you flawless brows every time, with stencils that cater to a wide range of brow shapes and preferences. Sigma's reputation for quality and precision makes this kit an excellent choice for anyone serious about achieving perfect brows. Key features: the Sigma Brow Stencil Kit includes 4 versatile stencil shapes that allow for complete customization. Made from durable, transparent material, the stencils make it easy to see your natural brow shape, ensuring a precise application. The kit also comes with a high-quality angled brush and brow powder, providing everything you need for a flawless finish. Benefits and usage: the Sigma Brow Stencil Kit is ideal for those who want precision and control when shaping their brows. The transparent stencils make it easy to follow your natural brow shape, while the included brow powder fills in gaps for a fuller look. The angled brush ensures precise application, allowing you to create defined, symmetrical brows. This kit is perfect for those who want professional-level results at home. Usability: the Sigma Brow Stencil Kit is simple to use, even for beginners. The transparent stencils make it easy to align with your natural brow shape, while the angled brush provides precision when filling in your brows. The brow powder is easy to apply and has great staying power, ensuring that your brows stay put all day long. The kit includes clear instructions to help you achieve the perfect look every time. Durability: the stencils in the Sigma Brow Stencil Kit are made from durable material that is built to last. The brow powder is long-lasting, and the angled brush maintains its shape after multiple uses. With proper care, this kit is designed to give you long-term value, making it a reliable addition to your beauty routine. And finally, at number 5, we have Billion Dollar Brows. The Billion Dollar Brows Stencil Kit is another premium option designed to help you achieve perfect brows with ease. Known for their high-quality products and excellent customer reviews, Billion Dollar Brows has created a stencil kit that delivers professional-level results. This kit is perfect for anyone who wants to perfect their brows at home, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Key features: the Billion Dollar Brows Stencil Kit includes 4 different stencils that cater to various brow shapes, including natural and dramatic arches. The stencils are made from soft, flexible material that contours easily to your face. The kit also includes a high-quality pencil for filling in brows, ensuring that you get a complete, polished look in no time. Benefits and usage: this stencil kit is perfect for those who want consistent, symmetrical brows without the hassle of freehand drawing. The stencils are easy to use and designed to help you shape your brows quickly and efficiently. The included pencil allows you to fill in brows with precision, giving you a natural, defined look that lasts all day. Usability: the Billion Dollar Brows Stencil Kit is easy to use, even for beginners. The stencils are flexible and can be adjusted to fit your brow shape. The pencil glides smoothly, allowing you to define and fill in your brows effortlessly. The clear instructions make the process straightforward, ensuring you get perfect brows every time. Durability. The stencils in the $1 Billion Brows Kit are made from high-quality, durable material that can be reused multiple times. The pencil has a long-lasting formula, ensuring your brows stay in place throughout the day. With proper care, this kit is built to provide long-term use, making it a reliable addition to your beauty routine. Achieving perfectly shaped brows doesn't have to be a complicated process. With these 5 best eyebrow stencil kits, you can enjoy flawless brows at home, whether you're a beginner or a beauty enthusiast. From the affordability of NYX to the precision of Sigma, there's something for everyone. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who are ready to step up their brow game. See you in the next video.